Unfortunately, I'm watching the clock, and the time got away from us. Thank you for all your input between the 95% confidence, the margins of error. So this is what we need to do right here. This is what we just got, yes?
Yes.
We just got that little blue diamond, 0.47. Now, of course, it's not in the right place on this graph. Like Blake pointed out, these are percentages, but it would have been over here somewhere. The parameter that we're looking for, I'll put my head in front of it, is somewhere out there. Is it on my forehead right now? Maybe, no. So the problem is that we most likely missed it. That's why I thought your claim was so ballsy originally, Austin. You said, pretty good, because we probably hit it. Well, you probably actually didn't hit it. As a matter of fact, if you back up one slide, you can quantify it. Whoops, there it is. You probably didn't hit it. You probably missed it by a little bit, or a lot. So, what we need to do is build this around it. Now, I'm going to post this for you so you don't have to write this down right now. But let me plant this seed in your mind for Tuesday when we regroup and take our data back. Here's what you have to do to properly estimate something you're studying. And I have this posted for you. I have this posted for you ASAP, as in like maybe around noon today when I get back to the office. The first thing you do is you grab a random sample. We did that, didn't we? Check. We get a random sample. We got our 10 spins, collected 34 at a time. You get 340. Sample size of 340. I love that sample size, by the way. Thank you very much for that. Number 2, find the center of interest. Now we found a bunch of centers today. We found the average, the median, the mode. But we threw all those away because we weren't interested in samples of size 10. We were interested in the percentage of time we saw heads. We put them all together, 340 of them. Out of 160, 160 out of 340 is that p-hat, which we call, that's what I said. It'll either be a percentage or an average. Ours is a percentage today. We'll start picking up averages on Tuesday. Number 3, we don't have time, I'm not about to do it in 15 seconds. Slap the wings, the margin of error on there. Because, as Austin pointed out, 95% confidence does not mean you hit the average. It means you hit, as I think Frankie said, close to the average. But then you have to define what close is. Close, as Alan said, is movement, I think is the word you used. Movement from your sample average. A minimum and a maximum. We haven't defined that yet, and we're not going to do it in negative 10 seconds either. So, we'll do it in positive whatever number of seconds we have in class on Tuesday. Okay? So have a good weekend, my friends. No, don't do any homework or anything like that. You can start knocking out quizzes if you want to. If you want for next week, for next Thursday, there's a couple quizzes posted. By all means, you can get into those. That's review material. I'll have a couple more up should you want to knock those out. You can start working on the project if you wanted to. But no, don't do any of the extra resource / homework problems. They won't make any sense yet. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
When are you going to put in,
different calculator?
I can give you right now if you want. Yeah. If anybody needs the program.